Friday night ferry to Ibiza. Let's see how we do this. Hey everyone, today we're taking you on a round trip ferry journey from Valencia to stunning island of Ibiza with Trasmed. If you ever wonder what it's like to travel by ferry between these two amazing destinations, stay tuned because we're diving into everything: ships, prices, anonymity, and even more.
Un car pequeño.
¿Es español?
Sí, o cubano.
Vale, pues...
Let's start with the boarding process. Whether you're a foot passenger bringing your bike, car, or even a truck, Trasmed has got you covered. The process is super smooth and organized, ensuring a hassle-free start to your journey. Now let's talk about the ship itself. Trasmed operates modern ferries equipped with state-of-the-art amenities. These ships are designed for comfort and convenience, making your trip across the Mediterranean as enjoyable as possible. From spacious lounges to onboard restaurants, there's something for everyone. On board, you'll find cozy lounges where you can relax and enjoy the view, restaurants serving up delicious meals, and even shops where you can pick up last-minute essentials or souvenirs. There's also free Wi-Fi available, so you can stay connected while you sail. When it comes to sleeping arrangement, Trasmed offers a variety of options to suit your needs. If you're on a budget, you can opt for a standard seating, but if you want to catch some Z's in comfort, there are private cabins available. Prices for these cabins vary, but they're definitely worth it if you prefer privacy and a good night's sleep. This is nice. You're staying here for the night. Yeah. 2 beds, this is nice. Damn, it does have a view. This is nice. It's big, spacious too. You have a little orgy. Alright, so if you misbehave, I heard that you gotta come and put your ass in here. And this is for the pussycats, or for those smaller dogs. Let's do this. Ibiza, here I come. Trasmed has a rich history, with decades of experience in connecting mainland Spain with the Balearic Islands. They're known for their reliable service and commitment to passenger comfort, making them a top choice for travelers between Valencia and Ibiza. Now let's talk about ticket prices. Depending on the season, foot passengers typically start around 60 euros. For those bringing a bicycle, could add an extra 20 euros. Car passengers pay around 120, and if you're transporting a truck, prices could go up to 250 or even more. As you approach Ibiza, the views are nothing short of spectacular. The island's coastline, the crystal clear waters, and the atmosphere are the perfect welcome after your ferry journey. And the best part, you can soak it right in from the decks of your ferry. So that's a wrap on our Trasmed ferry experience from Valencia to Ibiza and back. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Have you traveled with Trasmed before? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Arrivederci ragazzi.
Soy el único come mierda que viene aquí en bicicleta.